So I have another Mindful Souls box to unbox, and this is box number 4. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. This is a Mindful Souls box. They've changed the box up a little bit, and I must say I'm really liking it. This is box number 4. So when it comes to Mindful Souls, they don't do monthly box. Well, it is a monthly box, but it's not called like a January box, a February box, and so on and so on. These are just numbers, and when they've sent them to me, it's just been random numbers here and there. So yeah, like I say, this is box number 4. I have my phone here. It's got some details on here. So you get 6 to 8 items in your box every month, worth up to £100, and this costs you $39.99. So if you are into gemstones and crystals and all that kind of thing, this is right up your street. I love getting this box. It's something different for my channel, and I get really excited about it. So let's have a look on here. Let's have a look. So your first box will be shipped immediately within 2 to 6 days. The following boxes will then be shipped on the 7th of every month, and you can cancel it anytime for any reason. So in here you get things like powerful crystals, gem jewelry, relaxing aromatherapy, natural body products, mindful talismans and other spiritual mystery items, monthly affirmations, detailed information guides. In one box I've even had a face mask and stuff like that, so it is pretty cool. I will link just here a playlist of the boxes that I have received. Go and have a look at all the different boxes and all the different things that you can get. Really interesting. They have given me a code, so I will put the link down below, if I can talk, in the information box and the comment box along with the link, and if you use it you can get your first box for 20% cheaper, which is cool. When you can get a saving, definitely get the saving. But yeah, this is inside the box. I'm loving the new box detail. Very smart. So inside it just says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. Inside we do get like a little edit card. It has information on the stuff that is inside, which is great. We'll be reading the information in that in a moment as we go through each thing. Right, let's have a look. So we have an affirmation card here, and it's an affirmation for letting go. I release all disease from my body and welcome health, love and happiness into my life. That's really nice. I like that. So there is kind of a sneak peek. We can't really have a good sneak peek with this because everything in here is all thoughtfully popped into these little canvas little tote bags, which is really cute. And yeah, it's like a little surprise that you have to unwrap each time. We get a sticker in this one. Let's have a look. It just says, be the reason that someone smiles today. Oh yeah, that's nice. Really nice. Let's just get straight into this box because I'm super eager to find out what goodies we've got. On the front of the card there, it just has a little saying on there too. It just says, if it's out of your hands, it deserves freedom from your mind too. Yes, that makes so much sense. Let's get picking. So I can see there's actually one item in here that's not in a little baggie, so let's go straight for that. And guys, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. It's like a little teaspoon. Well, it's not like a little teaspoon, it is a little teaspoon, and it is stunning. Look at the detail on that. So it just says on here, spoon with clear crystal, bring a touch of magic to your coffee, tea or cupcake breaks with this little spoon with a clear crystal. Clear crystals resonate at the level of your individual needs, and they will amplify energies or intentions that are programmed into them. Interesting. I'm loving the colour of this. Look at the detail. And then yeah, there's that clear crystal. It's really bonny. I'm going to put it on my little display shelf there of my little crystals I've got and everything. It's going to go really nicely there. The second item we have is, oh, a little set. That is so pretty. That is really nice. We have a bracelet set here. So it just says Labradorite bracelet set with the mystery energy of Labradorite. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm probably not, knowing me. It just says sparks of neon will illuminate the path to your destiny. This stone banishes fears and insecurities and the psychic debris from previous disappointments. It strengthens faith in self and trust in the universe. It removes people's projections, including thought forms that have hooked onto your aura. Wearing Labradorite helps you tap into a higher state of consciousness. It's a protective stone as well. It'll also keep your energy body grounded while allowing you to explore expanded states of the universe. That, and it's really bloody pretty. Very, very nice. The only thing for me is I don't wear any gold tone jewelry, so I particularly love it when we get some silver toned pieces in this box. Unfortunately, we do get a lot of gold tones, but there's a lot of people out there that do like the gold tones. But look at that, isn't it absolutely gorgeous? You can see the detail in the stones as well. It's so pretty. Yeah, gorgeous. I know a few people that are gonna love this. Third item we will pick is this. Oh, wow. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. So we have a necklace, and look at that stone. Oh my god, that's so cute. This is a Lapis Lazuli necklace. I'm murdering these names, I do apologize. It just says a Lapis Lazuli is a gemstone that has existed since the beginning of time. The ancient Egyptians used it in their scarabs, pendants and other ornamental objects. This stone is a gemstone of total awareness and peace and helps to connect you to a higher truth. It quickly releases stress, bringing deep peace. Lapis lazuli properties also include helping you to further your journey of self-discovery and self-mastery. That is cool. Again, not keen on the yellow tone, but the way that is, I could take that out and put my own chain in there, which I'm more than likely to do because that stone is cool. It is so pretty. So the fourth item we have, oh, it's a big one, is this. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. So we have this. How cute is that? I think it's an incense holder. Oh, so let's have a look. A lotus flower incense holder. Yes, it is. Lotus incense holder is a beautiful decoration piece, ideal for meditation purposes, yoga rooms and your sacred spaces. Perfect for burning incense sticks. It also can be used for incense cones and incense coils. Use your favourite incense to harness the magic of the ancients and send it throughout your sacred space. As your incense burns, feel yourself swirling in the smoke, connecting to and dancing resplendently in sacred, feminine and divine power that you are. Guys, this is so nice. So here is a close-up of the dish. And then we have the little stand there as well that you can pop the incense in. Oh, yeah, that is cute. I've been looking for a little incense stick holder for my filming room, my little beauty room, and I've got one now, so that's cool. Fifth item we have is this. What is in here? Ooh, oh my god, that is cute. Look at the way the light bounces off that. Oh wow. Oh, that is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is a labradorite. I'm terrible at pronouncing these things. Palm stone. Labradorite is a highly magical and protective stone, a bringer of light. It raises consciousness and connects with universal energies. Labradorite reflects unwanted energies from the aura and prevents energy leakage, forms a barrier to negative energy. The colour of the labradorite is usually dark until it catches the light and the iridescent blue or gold flashes. Yeah, I've showed you that. Is gorgeous, isn't it? Sit quietly and hold your healing stone in your hand. Breathe and visualize your intention with your stones. Yeah, that's nice, and it's so smooth as well. It's absolutely stunning. You can see those flashes of colour there. So pretty. The sixth item we have is this. What is in here? So this is what we have, and that's sharp. I better be careful with that. But yeah, that's cute. Yeah, it just says here, this is a mahogany obsidian point. Mahogany obsidian is a natural glass obsidian that has inclusions of magnetite, hematite, creating the mahogany coloured patches in it. A hugely protective stone. It is used for protection from psychic attacks from those who wish to harm, or those who don't even intend to, but their energy is negative or aggressive and might inadvertently do so. This is an excellent grounding stone that helps to instill confidence while protecting the wearer from the effects of the negative thoughts, self-doubt, and the doubt and scorn of others. Sit quietly, holding your mahogany obsidian point, and ask yourself, what is holding me back from being who I was designed to be? What I am afraid of? Write down whatever comes to your mind and put your black obsidian on top. Its energy helps to bring those things to the surface. Yeah, that's really cool. Look at the details on that. Absolutely stunning. Right guys, so this is box 4 of Mindful Souls. What do you think? Personally, I think this is such a good box. We have some gorgeous little jewelry pieces in here. We have some fabulous stones. It should be well protected this month. Yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm very chuffed that we've got an incense stick holder, which is so cute. Yeah, what can I say? It's absolutely gorgeous. And this little teaspoon, I can't be using that for tea or coffee or anything. That's for display purposes because the details in that is amazing. And I can't get over that stone as well. It is like, it looks magical, doesn't it? Look at look at the colours in it. It's stunning. But yeah, massive thumbs up from me. Again, if you are interested in this box, I'll leave a link for you down below in the information box and the comment box. Use my code and it'll get you 20% off your first box. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.